everybody, good news today. Our good news is that we only need one more subscriber to reach 5 subscribers. Turns out we just barely got one more subscriber to our channel, so 5 subscribers, it's actually a secret. Unless you watched some of my other videos, then I told what would happen. So let's get started. I have another Cheat3 puzzle box here called Traffic Jam. I had so much fun with the last one that I just have to do another one really sooner than next week. So here is the puzzle box. First thing I notice is the tile on top. So we can stick it into here and see if that does anything. That definitely pushed something. And then nothing moves. Just push that back. What if I push this? Oh, push this in and push that. There we go. Can we do the same thing on this side? This, and then, oh, we can't, okay. Let's see. Pull that out, and then this should slide that way. Let me stick this in here. Okay, and then that pushed that this way. Okay, that wasn't supposed to happen. That pushed. Is that supposed to lift that up? There, let's try it now. Upside down. I don't think that's supposed to lift up. Because as you can see, when it lifts up, the money's there, but that's not how you're supposed to get. I'm just going to take it out and put it back in. Oh, I see the problem right there. Okay. There we go. I fixed it. And then we can just put it in here. See if that does anything. No. Go here. And that just... I'm not sure what that did. Let's try that again. Push this over. I can't because of the money right there. Oh, there we go. And then we try this hole. Nothing. This hole. And then push this over. No, we'll just keep that one out. Push it in here. And the whole wall came off. Okay. Like, gonna push that over. Scoot this. There's nothing in there. The money's right in there. We push on this, that doesn't do anything. Push on this, I think that just pushes it back. But if I scoot it here, push that, that's not going to do anything. If I put it in here, then scoot it, I can't, okay? But if I put it in here, if I can, and then push it over, oh, push it in, and push over, did that do anything? I think I got the money stuck on the ceiling. I don't know. So, let's see. Looks like we just got our tile stuck in there. Well, that wasn't supposed to happen. I I am gonna see if I have another tile. Okay, we can push that out. Okay. Yeah. This puzzle box isn't giving me good luck. Let's put this back on. It was just like this. And carefully, wait. I'm just gonna slide that tile and put it down here because that's what's supposed to happen. Okay. Then we have the money down there. And then we need to find a way to get the money out. So I think what we have to do is push the money, but then there's something in the way. So, oh wait, you can hear it shaking around in there. So it can tilt that way. And if we could just somehow get to the side of it. Let's try here again. Okay. This is actually pretty tricky for a puzzle box. Scoot it this way. Scoot this one. Okay, this is supposed to scoot over. Oh, I shoved the tile back. Okay. Okay. I shoved the tile back in. Yeah, this is a pretty tricky puzzle box. Let's see. So we need to get to... Was that out before? I don't think it was. So if we go back and put this in. Yeah, this is definitely supposed to scoot over, but the tile is right there, so... Oh. I got it. Well, that was not at all what I expected. That was actually really awesome. The only thing I didn't like is the wall just broke a few times, but that's because I was pushing too hard. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you want to see me do your puzzle box sometime, don't forget to like and subscribe.